Well, hi everyone. I don't do this very often, but this is where I do my nails. Okay? And our son has been living at home for a few weeks until he found a new apartment in Manchester. And so this is what I tried to work in. So as you can see, this is the table, the desk that I work from. And all the mess, and I shall straighten it, I swear, and all the different things on there. And then here, me plug things are on there, there's me hand, and this is a unit. I'll just come out a little bit, that's better. This is a unit that I bought, but they're not very good, these. This top one slides quite easy, and I keep acrylic paints and odds and ends in there, a bit of glitter. All these are going to be done. This is the only real straight drawer I've got, and this is with stamping plates. And that one. This one is all the false nails that I've got in there, so that's quite tidy. This one doesn't pull out very well, so I'll leave it at that. But there's all sorts in there. And when you put it back in, you need to get your knee in it. And to actually shut the damn thing. Go over one side. Then the next one is the same. I've just got glitters in boxes and a few false nails and different things in that one. And then in the bottom one is all the acrylics. Acrylic powder, the liquid, sterilising liquid, all that sort of thing. So all this is going to get straightened out. So I had this from the range, but honestly I don't particularly like it. But the one I have bought that I'm going to change to is this one. Isn't that lovely? Rainbow colours. And this is proper sliding drawers, and these are mainly, they fit the gel polishes in lovely, and there's 8 of them all together. So when I'm straight, I will come back and show you how straight it is. So there's some more of my son's rubbish in there, empty boxes. Then he's got different things there. He's left his telly there, which you pick up later. And all these boxes with different things, Tefal and stuff. So coming to this side, this will frighten you. This, I've got drawers on this one. And as you can see, I use boxes with the ice cream cartons, and the blue one there is from the washing tablets. So that's all there. And as you go over here, you can see again how many boxes there is. That's why I bought that unit. I want to get rid of all this. And as you can see, it's in quite a bit of a mess. And that's my son's down there as well. So, like I say, I'm going to straighten everything up. So I think that's about it for now. And like I say, I've even got me water down there because I can't find anywhere else to put it. So that's going to be filled with all goodies, and when my son's collected everything and taken it back with him, then I'll come back and show you the difference. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this and thought to yourself, oh, at least mine ain't like that. But I will get there. So I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of my room, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.